Hey everyone, today we will try to convert the text format into the number format. Here we have some data on my spreadsheet in the column number 1. This is text format, but we want any number format. How to do so? So select all the cells and you can see the simple warning here. Just click on the drop down menu and convert to number. This will help you to convert the text format into number. Now let's quickly undo it. Now let's try the next idea, that is Alt A E, right? This will open the wizard and here you can just select on next, next and finish. So you have that in the number format again. Now another easiest way is to just multiply the numbers with the number 1. That is a cell A2 into number 1, press enter. Now you can drag down the same formula to all the cells and you have the number format. Easy. Thank you.